Did you know that burps and farts are surprisingly similar? Both are caused by the buildup of gas in your body. When you swallow air, it can either come out as a burp or travel down to become a fart. The gas in burps is mostly swallowed air, while farts are a mix of swallowed air and gases produced by bacteria in your intestines. Here's a shocking fact. The average person farts 14 times a day. So next time you burp or fart, remember, it's just your body's way of releasing gas. It's a natural process and nothing to be embarrassed about.